you've landed here. Thanks very much for that. What do we have to offer? Well, let me begin by saying what we offer on this webpage are all the things that interest me. So let me just go through with you what the main points are, and there's probably about 5 of them. The first is scratch building. That means starting with a plan and building a boat from the ground up, used in an ordinary workshop using ordinary materials and all the stuff involved in that. That's all fairly straightforward. The second point, I would say, is really making boats eye catchers by knowing how to really focus on the parts that matter, by getting them to perform magnificently using realistic speeds and operations and having them sit nicely in the water. The third point is about lifting the bar several levels and talking about submarines. There is a full build of a U-boat and the Nautilus on this website. It's really high-level stuff, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to go on there and just follow along, and you'll learn a whole lot of skills as you do, and who knows, 1 or 2 of you actually might build a submarine, and if you do, I want to know about it. Number 4 is where there's a bit of a twist, and I've added this thing called Arduino to my boats. All of my boats have got Arduino in them right now. Even this little scuffy will hold a course across a pond. You may choose to do that or not. That's just been my interest. I've just found it absolutely fantastic. Once again, my eclectic interest. And fifthly, I realized, by the way, I've also built this camera boat, and I've got these wonderful shots of boats, and you might just be interested in doing stuff like that. So how do you access that material? One of the first things you can do is just hop on the mailing list. And if you do, I'll send you over a period of time 5 articles all about those different areas. And those articles are gradually growing and developing. The other thing that you can do is join my YouTube channel, subscribe, because I've got over 300 videos currently and growing on the web. About 15 to 20% of them are publicly available, so you can go on there and have a look at a whole range of different things that I'm doing, and I rotate videos very slowly, so you'll see a whole range of different things, and it'll give you a bit of a picture of what I do. The other option is to go to the website and purchase a trial, which is very inexpensive, and when you do so you'll also get an ebook of the build of this scuffy, and you'll get access to a whole range of videos there. But if you want full membership, that's actually quite cheap as well. This whole website is based on lots and lots of access, minimal cost. That's the whole idea of it, so I want to attract as many as I can, because this is part of my retirement plan, as you can probably imagine. Plus, it makes my partner inside really, really happy about the amount of time I spend out here if I can justify it. I'm sure you all really understand that. So that's about it. Welcome.